Hello friends! Today I have a super short video for you explaining how to assemble your brand new respirator mask and how to wear it properly. So I just bought this new mask on Amazon. It is the Ransking 6200 reusable respirator mask. Here we have some instructions on the side. We got a nice box here. I got this on Amazon for less than $20. So let's see what's inside. Typically, when you order a respirator mask online, it is going to come in different pieces. It is not already going to be assembled, so I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. Here we have some plastic pieces. Should have at least 2 of those. A bunch of reusable filters. So many filters. This is great. And this is the main part of the mask that goes over your face here. And it already has all the straps and everything attached, so don't worry about that. And then also, this is the main portion of the filter. And on the inside of the box, of course, there is a little safety and instruction manual. Usually they're fairly short. If you've never used a respirator mask before, I would definitely recommend reading this thoroughly. So this is what the body of the mask is going to look like. I like to kind of inspect it to make sure that all the pieces are in the correct place. The filters are going to go on the side. Make sure that all of your straps are on there correctly and nothing's falling apart. All right, so I'm looking at all the straps here. I'm looking at the head strap. That's up there. That looks pretty good. And you're also going to have a bunch of plastic pieces, and this plastic piece here at the bottom is going to connect behind your neck. So make sure that's intact as well. Next, we can open this package, and I can show you what the filter elements look like this. So I'm going to show you how to attach these to the body of your mask. If you look at these filters, they have these little notches in them, and they're going to align with the notches on the sides of the body of your mask, as you can see here. It may seem like kind of a struggle at first to get them on, but once you get it in, it's good. One side actually, so this one, you actually go up and down, and that's how that connects. And then the other side is the opposite. You actually go from down to up to actually connect it and lock it into place. Next, we have these little white filters. You can grab 2 of them, one for each side. You'll see some writing on one side of each of these, and that actually says mask side on it. So we're going to put that side to the mask, and then we're going to take one of the plastic pieces and we're going to snap it right on top. So you just apply some pressure and wait for it to kind of clip on. You will know when it's attached. And there we go. There's one side. You do the same to the other side as well. Once this is clipped on, we have a fully assembled mask. Beautiful. So I find that this is the easiest way to actually put your mask on. So be sure to put it upside down on your chest. And we're going to take the 2 plastic pieces and we're going to attach them together behind our neck. So I'm going to turn my mask around here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. You see that it's very well connected, but you also see you have some tabs here that you can pull on to adjust your mask. So you're going to want to adjust that properly to your neck. Don't pull too tight though, because then again, you're not really going to know exactly how the mask is going to fit until you put the mask on your face. So next we're going to take the head strap and we're going to put it over the back of our head, the crown of our head there. So you see it's a little loose, so I'm actually going to pull on these tabs at the front of my face to adjust it properly. Make sure that it is nice and tight to your face. Not too tight, but make sure it's tight enough to where if anything were to spray, it's not going to get through any of these holes. Then you also have the option of pulling on the tabs that are underneath the filters. And you can't really see them, but I'm pulling on them right now to adjust my neck so that I don't have any little spaces underneath by my chin. And we're ready to go. So to take your mask off, I'd recommend doing it in the opposite way that you put it on. So you take the head part off. You can actually leave your mask hanging at your neck while you work sometimes if you need to get a little breather. And then it's a lot easier to just go ahead and put it back on your head if you need to. These are reusable masks, but they don't last forever. Here's my old mask. It's kind of in some rough shape here. They do have fairly new filters on them, so they look clean. However, the straps are a little bit rough. Over time, no matter how well you treat the mask, your straps will start to deteriorate. Like you can see this one is practically like a string. This is just what happens every single time. If you are pulling on it too much and not adjusting the straps correctly, you can wind up from going from this to that, which is what you don't want. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about your respirator mask or any questions about this video, please feel free to put those in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, click that like button for me if you liked this video, and click that subscribe button as well with the little notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my next video very soon. Now, as always, remember to stay peaceful, as a calm mind is a creative mind. Now go get inspired, be an influence, and make something beautiful today. Peace.